5 bikes that were meant to be launched but remained only in the concept stage for over 10 years, even after showcasing it at an auto show. Those bikes could have been a massive hit if they had hit the market. Bajaj Pulsar SS400, the body design same as Pulsar RS200, a sporty and stylish motorcycle with a powerful engine. The same engine was showcased alongside for Pulsar CS400. Eventually, it was later launched as Dominar 400, but unfortunately, SS400 never made it to production. TVS had the Draken concept bike, which had a bold and unique design, advanced features, and a beastly performance with a 250cc engine that enthusiasts were eagerly waiting for. However, the dream of riding a Draken never became a reality. TVS also had a futuristic scooter concept in 2014 auto show. It was called the Graphite. This scooter boasted innovative technology, sleek looks, and unmatched comfort, but sadly, it stayed as a concept on paper. Hero had the HX250R in its lineup, a dazzling sports bike with exceptional performance and agility. Many were excited about its potential launch, but it remained as a prototype, leaving buyers disappointed. It did re-displayed in year 2016, but still it was not available for buyers. Designed and assembled in India, the Honda CX-01 had a unique blend of style for that era. With its promising features, it had the potential to revolutionize the Indian motorcycle market, but sadly, it never saw the light of day. And there you have it, 5 bikes that remained only as concepts even after a decade, leaving enthusiasts yearning for what could have been. Which of these bikes do you wish had been launched? Let us know in the comments below and don't forget to like and share this video.